if you're looking for the deets on this curly bob, then of course carry on watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very, very well. If you're new to my channel, my name's Liz. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload new videos. We are back with another pre-everything wig. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-tweezed. Everything is pretty much done for you. For those of you that want beginner friendly wigs or you're new to wigs, then these type of wigs are definitely ideal for you to try out. This one is by Alipearl. Alipearl reached out and said they wanted me to test out this wig, share it to you lovely guys. So it's definitely more of a looser curl compared to my natural hair. And I want to say it took just over a week for this wig to arrive, so it didn't take a long time, which is also a bonus. It came with different items in it. It came with a headband, it came with a wig cap, comb, dust bag, which you can obviously keep your wig in. I feel like that's everything that I can remember. This wig was easy to install. As always, I'm going to show you how easy it is. If there's any questions, of course leave that in the comment section down below, but let me know what you guys think of this wig. Is this wig a yay or is it a nay? So after washing my wig and letting it dry, I kept it in its dust bag that came in. This is by Alipearl. This style isn't something that I'll tend to reach out for. When it comes to curls, I'll normally go for a longer length because I feel shorter length adds weight to your face. But you know what, I wanted to try something quite different outside my comfort zone. The exact lengths will be in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, so if you pop it on your head, so this is how it looks like if I've not styled it or anything, and if I just pop it on my head. Okay, so this is how full and thick it is, as you can see. And I like the fact that it has the clip at the back. It has the clips on the side, but to be honest, I never use the clips on the side. And as usual, I'm not someone that does the ball cap method. I'm someone that likes a light hold, a light glue, so I can easily whip it off when I get home. My go-to is always the one by Got To Be, which looks like this. It's just easy to use and easy to take off. So yeah, in terms of like baby hairs, this doesn't have any. So if you're someone that likes baby hairs, of course you can create that if you want. What I'm going to do is just shift this back a little bit, and then I'm going to spray some Got To Be on my forehead. The wig cap has moved. I want to bring that forward. So I spray my forehead, as you can see. Woo! This is always cold. And then do like here and some here as well. When it comes to the ball cap method, I've never even done it myself. I've only ever had it with hairstylists that have done it for me. So that method of getting my hair laid, yeah, I have no patience for that at all. Zero. So using my blow dry so it gets a bit tacky. Then you want to drag the wig to where exactly you want it. But yeah, just pulling it down. And this is exactly where I want it. I'm someone that definitely wants my wig more on my forehead. One, because why am I putting my hairline? And two, if it does shift back a little bit, at least it then ends up in a place where I like. So yeah, so simple and easy to do. And I like the fact the lace on this feels so light. That is a bonus. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see. No, the lace, the colour of this lace is really nice. This is like the perfect colour. I've not even added anything. But yeah, I like to spray it on top. Try not to let it go everywhere. But you can see spraying this on top just helps as well to melt this even further. Hopefully you guys can see. Then I'm just going to quickly blow dry this. With wigs, sometimes it can be annoying because sometimes you stick one side down, the other side starts moving. I then spray over it one more time for it to be extra secure. So that's what I'm doing. And I just feel like doing this step helps it to blend a bit further, you know. So spraying on the lace. Then using my finger, dab on the lace. Literally on the lace, dab. Honestly, I think I prefer middle parts more than I do side parts. With middle parts, you don't really have to do too much. As long as this part is secure, if the sides end up flapping, God forbid, you're okay. So leave that to dry, and then you're pretty much done. The next step is to secure it with a band. So it has the Velcro at the back. You literally want to hold it as tight as possible, and that's just going to help melt it or secure it even further. So now this is secure on my head. I'm just going to use some baby wipes to clean off the excess glue which dripped on my face. So just use some wipes to clean this off, go do my makeup, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I've slapped on some makeup. Hopefully it isn't too much of a jump scare. But yeah, let's style this wig from Alipearl. Honestly, the best thing ever is taking off the band. The amount of pressure, because I put it on so tight, taking it off, oh, that feeling that you feel when you take off your bra when you get home. Oh my gosh, it's that same feeling. Like, get this off of me. Just adjusting the clip at the back so that that's in. This hair has a lot of volume. So next thing that I like to do is take the wax stick, and I'm going to use that to help make that part a bit more defined, and then it also helps with flyaways. Just using that to smooth it out a bit, if that makes sense, especially the back. What I really like about this wig is the lace is really thin, like really light. What I really like. Hopefully let me come up closer so you guys can see what I mean. Like, so next thing which I'm going to reach out for is some mousse. You guys always ask me what I put in my hair when I have curly hair. It's either water or mousse, because mousse I feel helps to define the curls a bit more, and then the next time when I put it on I just add some water. So yeah, since this is the first time I'm laying this wig, we're adding some mousse. I'm just going to slap that all over, literally a generous amount. The more the better. Anyway, I'm going to put that all over. Not going to use half of the mousse, but a lot. So slapping that throughout the hair, which is probably boring to watch. I don't know what these curls are giving. I feel like it's giving 4A. Do you agree? 4A? Maybe 3C, 4A. But yeah, whilst I'm doing this, there's definitely just a little bit of hair that it's coming into my fingers. So still adding the mousse until I feel like I've got the kind of definition or curl that I want. But yeah, like I said already, this style is completely different. Probably one of the shortest curly wigs I've ever had in my whole entire life. I don't feel like I need to add any serum to this. But yeah, I'm just going to use the Got To Be, just spray that part. Gosh, I'm running out of this. But yeah, guys, this was so simple to install. I want to turn it around so that you guys can see the thickness of this wig. So let me come up close so that you guys can see what the part is saying. Can you see? As I said already, the lace of this is really thin. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think I should pluck the hairline a bit more or leave it as it is? Because I never know, and I feel like you guys always give good feedback. Oh, this would be lovely on holiday because you don't have to do much. I'm a low maintenance person when it comes to wigs. No time for that. So yeah, this is what this wig is looking like from Alipearl. And yeah, let me know if you like this wig. If something isn't good, guys, I'm gonna be honest and say, but so far I'm liking this. Like I said, there was minimal shedding that I experienced. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was nothing crazy for me to be like, oh my gosh, don't buy from this company. No, there's a little bit of shedding, 100%, but nothing crazy or to be alarmed about. But yeah, thank you Alipearl for trusting in me to try out this wig. For the girls that like, for the girls or the ladies, should I say, that, or men, that like to switch up their hairstyle, hopefully this is another option that I've given to you, that I've shared for you to try out. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed, and as always, if you have any video requests, please leave them down below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I shall speak to you in my next video. Bye.